Outdoor elegance. Stylish gazebo designs for a beautiful courtyard. Creating an elegant courtyard begins with a clear vision, a balanced combination of form, function, and ambience. Among the most transformative elements for a refined outdoor living space is the gazebo. A well-designed gazebo elevates a garden oasis, provides practical shelter for al fresco living, and anchors outdoor entertainment and relaxation. This article explores stylish gazebo designs and complementary ideas for courtyard makeovers, modern outdoor decor, and luxury outdoor furniture that together craft a chic, inviting backyard retreat. Why a gazebo works for courtyard design. A gazebo brings structure and purpose to an outdoor area. It defines a gathering place within the courtyard, offers shade and shelter for varying weather, and creates a focal point that harmonizes landscaping, seating arrangements, and lighting. Whether your courtyard is compact or expansive, a thoughtfully chosen gazebo converts the space into a multifunctional haven for dining, lounging, and hosting garden parties. Stylish gazebo designs to consider. Classic pavilion style. Timeless appeal with a peaked roof, open sides, and elegant columns. Works well in traditional and formal garden settings. Use neutral paints and natural wood finishes to reinforce sophistication. Modern minimalist gazebo. Clean lines, flat or gently sloped roofs, and integrated LED lighting. Materials such as steel, aluminum, or composite would provide a sleek, low-maintenance option for contemporary courtyards. Pergola-style gazebo. A hybrid approach using open lattice roofing or spaced slats that filter light. Pair with retractable canopies for adjustable shade and an airy aesthetic ideal for Mediterranean or transitional designs. Enclosed gazebo with glass panels. Offers year-round usability and extends the courtyard into a sunroom-like space. Use floor-to-ceiling glazing for uninterrupted views and thermally efficient frames for comfort. Venetian-inspired pagoda gazebo. Multi-tiered rooflines and ornate detailing add an exotic touch to garden landscapes. These structures emphasize tranquility and create a meditative retreat. Rustic log or timber gazebo. Heavy timbers, exposed joints, and natural finishes create a cozy, lodge-like atmosphere suitable for cottage-style courtyards. Materials and finishes that enhance outdoor elegance. Choosing the right materials influences both style and longevity. Pressure-treated wood and cedar offer warmth and organic texture, while painted hardwoods lend polished charm. Metal frames, powder-coated aluminum or galvanized steel, are durable and pair well with modern decor. Composite decking resists moisture and fading, making it practical around busy outdoor entertainment zones. For roofs, consider polycarbonate panels for light diffusion, standing seam metal for a crisp modern look, or classic shingles for traditional gardens.